Welcome to Phoenix Feet. I'm Dan.
And I'm Miley. The elementary orchestra has a concert on Thursday from 7 to 7:30.
On Friday, 8th grade is going to Lagoon. Also on Friday, there's a tenor dance performance from 10:30 a.m. to 1 p.m.
Now over to the Sports Center.
Welcome to Sports Center. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Robin.
Congrats to boys volleyball for winning the state championship.
Running club is after school as usual.
Now back to the newsroom.
Thanks.
Now over to a reporter.
Hi, I'm Elise, and this week we are interviewing all the teens here at ELA. I'm here with Brett and Summer in the junior high. Do you guys ever say the same thing at the same time?
No, never. Probably.
That's cool. Are you telepathic with each other? Like, know what you guys are thinking?
I'm a K-pop stan. I'm Aspa Ning Winter.
Is that what you were thinking of?
Yes.
Okay. Who is older?
Me by like a couple of minutes.
Oh, cool. And who is taller?
Bread.
You are taller. That's cool.
Aspa love me.
Well, thanks, guys. Now on to the next section.
Hi, I'm Elise, and this week we are continuing to interview the students at ELA. I'm here with Brooklyn and London. Do you guys ever say the same thing at the same time?
Sometimes.
Cool. Are you telepathic? You think the same thing?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. That's kind of cool. Who's older and who's taller? Okay.
Thanks.
Now over to Cooking with Kevin. Thanks.
That's all the announcements.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
championship.
Running club is after school as usual.
Now back to the newsroom.
Hold on. Ethan, will you go to the dance with me?
I'm not doing it, okay? It's not happening. No way. I'm not doing it.
Are we doing?
Robin has a spray bottle!
Crime.